This is what I normally use. This is what Jamie bought me for Christmas, as well as tons of presents, bless him. So yeah, so I will need this list will last me at least, like, I want to say, I'm hoping 3 to 6 months. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are well. Today I am showcasing my January. I'm a bit early, but I want to do some different projects with this kit, so I thought I will showcase this kit several times in the next couple of upcoming weeks. These actually kits, because it's two, they called assorted journal cards 1 and 2. So there's two kits, and I'll show you them in just a second. So they, on my opinion, they are very versatile kits, because although they're journal cards, you can do what you want with this, because you can layer them, you can collage them, you could create your own cards using just the side of this. You can fussy cut the elements that you want. You can do what you want. So I'm just going to show them, and I'm hoping they are going to be in order, but knowing myself, I know for a fact they won't be. So this is the number 2. So you got this beautiful, so 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 cards with these beautiful vintage photographs and some lovely flowers. Of course, it wouldn't be a G digital kit without butterflies. So you got a full page with the butterflies. Then you've got, this is still 2, yes, so you've got another page with a different sizes cards, and then you've got the fish in there, the hats, the gentleman, the Victorian illustration there, and of course a couple of flowers. This is the still number 2, perfect, is in order. Oh, yes, you got some fruits, so you got some pears, some apples, lovely birds, and the really pretty vintage background. And I think this kit works really well color wise, because you got the, I love the green and red color combination together, and also like red, green and yellow. So I think me and G has got the same aesthetics, because we do like a lot of things. That's the reason why I picked this kit. One more, you got 2, so 8 similar size cards with vintage botanical elements. And then I think this is the last page. Yes, this is the last page of the kit number 2. You got again another floral images, so you got 8 cards. I should have told you earlier, shouldn't I? So these measure 2.5 by almost 4, which in centimeters are 7 by almost 10. Okay, so that's kit number 2. And then on kit number 2, kit number 1, if I can speak, again, assorted journal cards. You got lovely birds with a vintage receipts on the back, beautiful floral with the postcards, butterflies, and the handwriting. I love these. This very me. Beautiful blue shades, flowers. I have no idea what these flowers are. I don't know the name in English, but I'm sure you guys do. Again, more like a pinky sort of version. I love that. Very vintage, very G's, very shabby. And then you've got the shoes there, the lovely ballerina, and rose and lilies. Okay, so I've got a couple of projects I'm going to be doing with these 2 kits. Keep watching, guys, and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, today is a requested video following another video tutorial I have done showcasing one of the others G's digital kits called the pink butterflies. And in that video I show you guys how I made it was like a concertina ephemera storage, and I put the video here on the screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about. And then in that video I didn't show you how to actually make the folio, but I'm going to, and on underneath that video I had lots of different comments, and that video, I think it's been recommended, I don't know, but a lot of people watched that video recently, so I've got lots of comments underneath that video to say, below that video to say, oh, can you show how to make it? So I'll show you how to make it. So the pouch, so the literally pocket, or what do you want to call it? So I've got glue everywhere. It can be any sizes. Now this one I made today is the same size of the little card, because I want them to kind of like be exactly the same size. But you can make them as bigger as you want, because you can do collage, you can, you know, paint, you can do anything. So once you decide the shape and the size of your little pouch, I'll show you how to make the little folder, if we can call it like that. So for argument's sake, today my measure 6.5 centimeters by 9.5, I want to say, which in inches is 2.5 by 3 3/4. So what you do, I'm using a very old piece of 12 by 12, so I score the same size as the card, and then just simply fold it. And then to create the pouch, what I did, I just put a tiny little strip of double side tape on both sides, and just peel it off. And then simply, guys, very, very simple. So you create your little pouch, and then I have glued up the excuse me, the cards. As you know, I love using Mod Podge. I'm not a big fan of glue stick. It is, I don't know, me and glue stick have a really, really bad relationship. So I just don't like them, using them. So I never even bothered to try to buy some more. I've tried different brands in the past, none of them work. So yeah, I stick to what I like and what it works for me. One side, two sides. I think I need a tiny bit more. I think I got it. Have I got it around here? Yes, I think. Oh, it's on the floor. Just 2 seconds. Ooh. Jamie bought me. This is the 946 millimeters Mod Podge. So this is what I normally use. This is what Jamie bought me for Christmas, as well as tons of presents, bless him. So yeah, so I will need this list will last me at least, like, I want to say, I'm hoping 3 to 6 months. It's huge. It's water-based glue. I think I use the gloss finish. I think this is the matte finish. Yeah, that's the matte finish. Because they only had that one. So bless him, he bought me that. Bought me some paper pads. He went to the works, bless him. I'm really, really proud of him, because he's got no clue when it comes to crafting. He bought me some gel pens. He bought me a crocodile, which is, I needed it, and I told him to buy me that. Which I'll show you in a separate video. Is the from We Are Memory Keepers, is to crocodile to make holes, because at the punch, because I didn't have any, so I've asked that to Santa, and because I've been a very good boy, Santa bought it to me. So yeah, so right, so we've got a little pouch. I'm hoping it's on the other way. Yeah, so yeah. Now, because my this paper pad, I think it's 220 GSM, 230. I had this for years and not used it. It's from the works. I don't know what I was thinking, but so I will be doing loads of videos showcasing how to use them, just to use your scrap, or you know, shop your stash more than anything. And then I'm using my inch punch from Stampin' Up. Ooh. And then, okay, yeah, so that's my pouch. And then what I did, I distressed the edges with some brown ink. This is the vintage photo. I mean, you like to do this, but because I'm not precise when I glue things, I want to get that little vintage retro kind of like dirty look, if it makes sense. And also because the card has got a round corner, but yeah, it doesn't bother me. As you know, guys, I'm not aiming for perfection. I'm just here to have loads and loads of fun. There is plenty of beautiful, wonderful crafters. They're very neat and very precise when they make things, and I'm not one of them, so not even aspire to be one. But it's just, as I said several times, we're all here to have fun. Okay, right, I've got my 3 pouches, but you can go mad. You can make 25, 50, 70, 203 million, so as many as you want. So this one, let me see on this side, and I left this blank on purpose so I can show you guys what I'm doing, but I will then decoupage, I will collage and put more pictures. So to create a little holder, you need a piece that is literally same size of your card, of your pouch. You need at least an inch, because you need some space for the bags to be glued on one another, and that will be the space that, you know, it will fold over like that. So say that again. So we got the pouch, an inch, another pouch, another inch, and then this bit here is the lid, so it's gonna go over, and it can be as long as short as you want, but I kind of want like that. And then what I'm gonna do, I got my Velcro dots, so I will put a Velcro dot to help with the closure. Okay, so what we do, where is my double side tape here? So what we do, we need to glue together the bases of the pouches. Okay, so I probably need to measure this. I've bought some, well, I ordered some of these double side tape from the works, because I've been when I say recently, was possibly like end of November, I want to say, and I saw, and I didn't know that they sell a pack of 5 double side tape for £1, and I was like, I almost fainted in the sun. I was like, what? So yes, so I have to buy some. So but because I'm not planning to go shopping anywhere anytime soon, because COVID is getting really bad in UK again, so I'm only going to work and come back home, and that is more than enough, because I see a lot of people during my day at work, so I don't want to expose myself to any other people that I don't really have to. So I ordered a few bits online to be delivered at home. I normally, especially when it comes to craft things, I buy them online and then I go into the shop to pick them up. No, it's not gonna happen. So yeah, so I'm gonna stay at home. Yeah, because my neighbours are always at home, so if they come one of the day that me and Jay are working, they will pick it up, and then I go pick them up after work. So they've got wonderful neighbours, bless them. So you can see I put strips of double side tape on the bottom, and what you do, you just put another pouch on top of that, and then you just press it press it as hard as you possibly can. You can use glue. What I found with glue, because he wet the paper, he makes the paper a bit fragile. The dry adhesive, it will make the pouch a bit stronger. You can put anything that you want in there. You can put ephemera, you can put stamps, you can put tea bags, you can do anything. I will probably put tea bags in there, 3, as a little treat present. But as I said, you know, I only did 3 because I want to show you how I made it. But again, you can make as many as you want. And I hope you can hear it. It's very, very hard, very hard. So, okay. So as you can see, I put another strip of double-sided tape at the end. And then, okay, I'm just zooming in so you can see better what I'm doing. So that's the lid. So what I did, I put a bit of double side on the bottom there, and also in there. And also there is a bit of, glue. A little strip of double-sided tape here, which is trying to remember about half of the length of the entire pouch, so literally halfway, same as on the back. And what you do, guys, you position the base of your pouches kind of like, imagine as it was a line here. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna rub it off. So in between your inch tab, okay. So literally halfway there. Okay, so put it in the middle and then lift the one on the right and press it, and that will adhere to the side of the pouch, and we do the same on this side there. And what you want to do, guys, you want to press it as hard as you can, okay, and that will make the front 2 labs attached to the pouches. And again, this will work as depend on what you put in the inside, and that will be your closure. Okay, now it's very flat because it's nothing inside, but as soon as you can start putting things, and then this will generate more space. But if I can show you here, yeah, as you can see, I already made them bigger. You see, these will look fuller, and then you just put a closure in there. Okay, so that's so what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate this bit here, and I'm going to put a simple Velcro dots in there, and that's literally how you made it. Super duper simple. Okay, right, guys, I hope you liked this little quick tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and apologies about the state of my finger. If you guys have any more video requests, as usual, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll do my very best to do your videos. Have a lovely day, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.